Okay, so to find the factors of a polynomial, so here I have an equation I wrote out, and so to be able to find a factor that works with this, you have to find factors of the number that doesn't have a variable with it, so the b value. So in this case, it's 6. So the factors of 6 are 3, 2, 1, and 6. So to find a factor that works, you have to put these numbers in for x to make the remainder equal to 0. So in this case, -1 works. When you put in -1, it makes 0. So you know a factor is x plus 1. So then to divide it, you can either do long division or synthetic division. In my case, I chose synthetic division. So to synthetically divide, you take your factor, so -1, and then you put out all your numbers for the polynomial, so 1, 2, -5, and -6. So drop the first number, that multiplied by this to make -1. 2 plus -1 equals 1. -1 times 1 is -1. -5 multiplied, or plus -1 is -6. -6 multiplied by -1 is 6, so -6 divided by 6 is 0. So then these bottom is your polynomial equation. So you have your x plus 1, then you have x squared plus x minus 6. Then you can factor this to go x minus 2, x plus 3. And then here are your final factors to your equation. 1, 2, or -1, 2, and -3. So to find your remainder, if you're given x minus 6, so or x minus c, sorry, you take your c value. So if it was x minus 4, you put in 4 in for x values, and then in your x values, so example in this equation, you just put in 6 in for all the x's, and then you'd be given, and once you calculate that in a calculator, your answer is what the remainder will be.